Southern Keto Cookbook Review. The Southern Keto Cookbook is a must-have for anyone following a low-carb lifestyle. Written by Natasha Newton, this book offers over 100 traditional Southern recipes that have been adapted to fit a low-carb diet. With a publication date of November 20th, 2018, this paperback edition provides readers with a wealth of delicious and satisfying options to enjoy. One of the standout features of this cookbook is its focus on traditional Southern food favorites. From biscuits and gravy to fried chicken and pecan pie, this book offers low-carb versions of classic dishes that are sure to satisfy your craving for comfort food. Each recipe is carefully crafted to retain the flavors and textures that make these dishes so beloved, while still being low in carbohydrates. The Southern Keto Cookbook also includes a variety of recipes for different meals and occasions. Whether you're looking for a quick and easy weeknight dinner or a show-stopping dessert for a special occasion, this book has you covered. The recipes are easy to follow and include detailed instructions, making them accessible to both experienced and novice cooks. In addition to the delicious recipes, this cookbook also provides valuable information for those following a low-carb lifestyle. It includes a comprehensive introduction to the ketogenic diet, explaining the science behind it and its potential benefits. There are also tips and tricks for successfully following a low-carb diet, as well as guidance on how to incorporate these recipes into your daily meal planning. Overall, the Southern Keto Cookbook is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to enjoy traditional Southern food favorites while following a low-carb diet. With its wide range of recipes, easy-to-follow instructions, and valuable information on the ketogenic diet, this cookbook is a valuable addition to any kitchen. Click the link below to read more.